Hello ladies, today I want to talk to you about what is probably the most talked about herbal tea during pregnancy, but it's also probably the most misunderstood as well. I hear a lot of women say that they've been told to drink this, but they don't really know why. Today I want to talk you through what it is, how this amazing ingredient helps during pregnancy and post-birth, when you should start drinking it, and also how much. I'm talking about red raspberry leaf tea. Red raspberry leaf tea is actually made from the leaves of the red raspberry bush or plant, and its dried leaves are then steeped in the hot water to make the tea. It's actually one of a few herbal ingredients that have had thousands of evidence-based research conducted showing that it's clinically significant findings to support its use during pregnancy. Now let me just quickly debunk a common myth before we go any further. Red raspberry leaf tea will not help you go into labour or make your labour come any quicker. I'm sorry for those of you who are desperately awaiting the arrival of your bub and looking for a quick fix or a nice solution, but that is definitely not the case. What it will do is gently help to strengthen and tone your uterus. So if I can paint a picture for you just a moment, your uterus by the time that you have the baby is about roughly 500 times its usual size. Plus, the force of every contraction is believed to be equivalent of around about 180 kilos of pressure. So like any muscle in the body, if your uterus is toned, it can handle and process your contractions more effectively and efficiently, which can mean that you can then actually help your body to achieve a shorter labour duration. Then once your baby is born and your giant oversized uterus needs to contract back into shape, your nicely tonified new body part can also do this effectively and efficiently, and hopefully with fewer post-birth contraction and cramping pains. Another bonus of its use is its ability to help stimulate a mother's breast milk supply to come in, which is perfect for those of you who are wanting to breastfeed your baby. Now, on its own, and low quality blends of this raspberry leaf can actually taste quite tart and not pleasant at all. Don't expect the delicious sweet berry flavour of the plant's fruit because this is the leaves that we're talking about. So at maternity, we purposely blend ours with a little bit of nettle and a little bit of mint, not only to taste delicious and refreshing, but there's also some serious benefits that our expecting mothers can expect by using these additional herbs. They're great for helping with fluid retention, so aka cankles, swollen feet, all very common towards the end of your pregnancy, and also awesome for helping to manage bloating and heartburn, which is a result of your squished digestive system at the moment. Its high vitamin K content means that it will help your blood to clot, reducing post-birth bleeding. And if you're having a cesarean section, raspberry leaf tea is equally as important as you'll need your uterus to contract back after birth. So needing to fight off infections, you want your wounds to heal quickly. Often swelling and fluid retention are quite problematic after a major surgery such as a C-section as well. So red raspberry leaf tea will definitely help. So now that you know what this wonderful herb is and how it can help your pregnancy, I want to tell you when to start and how much, because this is really important. The important thing is to not start drinking raspberry leaf tea before the third trimester, so around about 27 weeks. We don't want to stimulate the uterus too early. And naturopaths recommend that we take 1 cup a day from 27 weeks and then slowly build that up to 35 weeks where you can increase then to 3 to 4 cups a day until the baby's born. This really is the most amazing herb to support childbirth and post-birth, and I don't recommend any other herb quite as strongly as this. The success of this herb really lies in the process, so being consistent, enjoying it every day from 27 weeks to build up those properties in your system so that they're ready to go when you need them. Our raspberry leaf tea is Capacity, and it comes with 30 very handy biodegradable pyramid tea bags, 100% organic and caffeine free. So mamas in your third trimester or those close to, make sure you order your Capacity and give yourself every possible chance of a wonderful labour. The easier that we can make childbirth on ourselves, the better, right? Thanks guys, I hope that helped.